Oh, look at the night. I just got done. Corey cold just got done. And it's kind of cold. But here's the thing. Got it done. You can't see anything, but as you can tell, there's no drip. Like, look at the ground. There's no drips. Alright. It's changing the thermostat housing. I just went on ahead and grabbed a whole nother housing with the gasket already in place and just replaced it. What you need is you're gonna need for a standard just now going in on it, if you just got the car, unless you change the bolt size, the bolts sizes are 8s, but I use 10s, so you'll need 8 millimeters, and you'll need like a long breaker bar, somewhat skinny breaker bar. You need one of those, a 3/8 or a 1/4, depending on the socket sizes that you have. But you'll need 8 millimeters. That's it. That's all you do. Just take the tubing outside, take the radiator hose off the thermostat housing, and then you have the other hoses, the T-line hoses for the water pump and for the water pump and for the canister itself, like the container, and you'll need to take those hoses off. But it's located directly right there at the front of the engine of an 07 Ford Focus, the 2.0 liter. Yeah. Make sure you put enough antifreeze in it to fill all the way back up to the container and let it eat up some, and then fill up whatever it's ate up. That way you keep it cool at the right temperature. Yeah, but that's it. Took me about 3 days just because I needed to freaking stop and then go to pull and pay. Got an AC compressor because the way it was leaking the trail, it looked weird, so I was thinking there was a refrigerant leaking out or something. I'm not sure. I was thinking it was that, so we got the AC compressor, but that wasn't it, because after I took it off, I found it was coming a trail at the hose in the trail at the hose coming down from the hose, and then there was also a trail coming down from the bottom of the housing itself, because the gasket wasn't placed on right. So make sure you have it in there. Make sure it's in there tight, compact, not disturbed when you put it on either. There you have it. Quick 30-minute change. But if you don't have it all prepared and scheduled out in your mind, it'll take 3 days. Yeah. This is Corey Cole, out.